Welcome everyone to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, May 13th, 2024. I hope you're having a fantastic day. What a day or week, I should say, it was. As we do get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. We're going to start off looking at economic reports for next week. So we've got nothing happening on the 13th. On Monday, the 14th, and we're only looking at U.S. at this point, right? But on Monday the 14th, we've got 8:30 reports, and we have one at 10 a.m., which is Fed Chair Powell speaking. Remember what happened the last time? Powell spoke, reporters asked questions, and the market tanked on that conversation. It had gone up on the announcement, but down on the report. Then on Wednesday, we've got a lot of red. You got CPI, all of the CPI, it's all the same. Empire State Manufacturing, retail sales. So a lot of reports there. On Thursday, we've got unemployment, building permits, Philly Fed, and industrial production. I'm not too concerned with that. Waller speaks at 10:15 on Friday the 17th. That's okay. I'm not really too concerned with Waller. Open mouth, insert foot forum. If we go in here and look at other countries, right? We're only looking red and green, red and orange. In there, right? So now let's see if anything jumps in that is our time frame. So 12:45 p.m. right? We've got SMB Chairman Jordan speaks. It's orange, may not really be that much of a big deal. Australia, that's 9 p.m. That's late at night. 4 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 9:15, 10 p.m. Yeah, so nothing from overseas that's really going to affect us very much during this upcoming week. With that, let's go look at what's going on in the market. The orange bar that I have on there represents last Friday. So what happened, right? And you really need to look at this, if you break it down step by step, the way that I talk about it, particularly on or in the Traders Market Intelligence Report where I do the entire week, right? So what's actually happened in here? Well, we got a quick little breakout. All right, let's back up. Friday, we got the gap up and we hit in that zone, which was the recent swing high at 51.2349 and 51.3218. We had a blue zone in there. We pierced through it a little bit, and that was good, right? On Monday, we gapped up. We had, just a Marabuzu type candle, shave bottom, shave top, and we just rocked. Open at the low, close at the high, bullish day. The next day, people were freaking out a little bit. We couldn't get higher than the resistance level. We pulled back. There was a little bit of concern the day after. I heard it on the gap down from other traders going, oh my God, the world's coming to an end on Wednesday. Like, calm down. We're still in a bullish bias. Nothing's changed. But we had Tuesday broken through. We chipped away at the ice. Now, yes, you were laying on your back, chipping away at it, but you broke through the resistance a little bit. The S&P did. And then Thursday, we just exploded right up through there. Yes, the setup came in on Tuesday, a little bit of rest on Wednesday, and Thursday we explode. Today we're up $8.50. Market is closed now about 5 minutes. We're up about $8.50 on today on Friday. Bearish candle on the open compared to the close, but bullish on where we were for close, period, from yesterday's close. So we had $8.50 move to the upside today. Very good. I'm not surprised after, having a great week as we did, moving from 51.32 all the way up to 52, almost 100 points. Almost 100-point move for this week to the upside. So not surprising to see a little bit of rest and relaxation take place. If we look at the VIX, man, woo! This is a wonderful bearish thrusting pattern. Just which it's a bearish looking pattern, which is very bullish for the overall market, right? So let's go ahead and set some targets up for the S&P for this week. So, and again, Monday comes, and I'm not doing this update again until Friday. Monday comes, you need to look at everything that I just said, and you need to analyze in detail, in great depth, what just happened on Monday, comparative to every other day. And you need to look left and do the calculations, the math, the figuring of this is what I see coming next. So when we look at the S&P on Monday, or this coming week, we're looking at that 51.96.5 level as support. And then we've got the 8 moving average, 51.67. So about 30 points down below that. On the upside, we're looking at 52.61 and 52.64.85. That is the all-time high. And that's what we're looking for. Now, I do not expect a hard burst through that resistance. It could happen. I'm not saying it won't. But what I'm saying is that's not what I'm looking for. I'm not going, yes, this is going to happen. Nope. I'm expecting a move up, a pullback, and then a break. right? Kind of like we had right here. Monday we pulled up, we ran up. Tuesday we moved up and pulled back. Wednesday we gapped down, recovered. Thursday we gapped and we took off, right? I'm looking more of a pattern like that. Could it break out? Without a doubt, it could break out. It's just not the common pattern. And let me rephrase it even, or restate it even for another reason. If that happens, I'm not as excited about the pullback. I'd rather see the breakout and a pullback first, right? But the chipping away at the ice is critical. Friday, we chipped away at the ice, and then we broke out on Monday, okay? So to the upside, we're looking at 52.61. And then we have 53.35 as our next upside target, 53.35, which is the negative 136. So overall, life is looking good, man. I mean, really, really, really good on the S&P right now. We've got a couple of swing lows, and we've got that swing high in there for the recent one. We certainly have the all-time swing high. Above that, there ain't no swing high to put because we ain't got nothing else up there. So that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day. Listen, make sure that you follow along, subscribe. It may be surprising to know that only about 40% of you that watch this video are subscribed. So make sure you subscribe, ring that bell, share it with others so we can continue to grow this channel. Let us know how much you appreciate it if you do, and we appreciate that very much. So have a great day. See you at the next one. Bye for now.